Hello, my name is Martin Freiwald and I'm the developer and founder of Traffic Creator. Today I want to show you what features you get with Traffic Creator. So I built this website basically because I hate Spark Traffic. I think it's a terrible company, it's stealing your money, but that is up to you. They do have good features, so if you don't like my company and my traffic, you should go to Spark Traffic because they are the next best. However, I made a software which is much better than Spark Traffic in my opinion. So why is that? So traffic, you can generate unlimited traffic. You get also 300,000 visitors for free every month. This is basically, it would cost you $60 to get this from Spark Traffic. I give it for free. The only requirement that you have to get this traffic is you have to be online for 1 month straight away. Yep, and here you get all the features, so you can distribute your website traffic evenly or realistic. So that means during night times it will be less, and during daytime it will be more. That is also based on the time zone. If you have, you can detect your time zone, select your time zone, your bounce rate, visitor returning rate, how you want to have your traffic distributed. You can completely set it as you want. Your browser language, the time on page up to 5 minutes that you can have each visitor on your website. You can set which path they should go on. Let's see if I have here maybe a project that is actually available. So, here. So you can see traffic, visitor returning rate you can set here, desktop, mobile, right? That you can set as you like. Time zone, yep, any time zone you need. You can also detect yours, which is quite comfy. Bup. Here we can set the URLs that should be visited. Either we use the sitemap, so you can check your own sitemap and just import all the links that you have in your sitemap, and then it will automatically crawl the sitemap every day to check if there's new pages, and then send to those pages the website traffic. Also, you can here set if it should be the random selection of the inner URLs or if it should go from top to bottom and then again. I have so many features. So states and cities, you can either go for state traffic, country traffic, or you go by cities down here. We have basically everything available. We have probably over 20,000 cities, like the biggest cities in the world available. A little bit more than 20,000 cities, and yeah, every state of almost any country that you can think of. Then we have here the option to really customize the traffic source as much as you want. Super cool. Nobody has it, just us. See that good. If you like Spark Traffic, for example, there's they do it really terrible. For example, the social traffic, it will show just as referral traffic and not social traffic. While if you use our software, it will show just as social traffic, which it's supposed to be. So then we have the tracking UTM. For some people this might make sense. What I want to show you is the free traffic option. This is the gamification. As I said, if you go online, the first day, the second day you get 1,000 visitors, and after 30 days you get 20,000 visitors per day. It is absolutely amazing. You should definitely use this. Also you get ranks level 1, so that means you get discounts. You get great discounts up to 20% if you spend $50,000. This won't be probably for most people. Here you can see I have a bonus unlocked. I get now 1,000 visitors. Super cool. But most people probably will end up getting a small discount here in this range, up to 10%. But still very nice, as well as you get your free traffic and a lot of it. Well, we also offer Google Search Console traffic, which is way more expensive, but it is for rankings. If you want to rank your website better, this is like a great option, or local SEO traffic for Google Maps. However, this is it. This is my website. I built it to spark traffic because I really don't like them, and that's why I built this website. So enjoy it and switch to my website. Much cooler, like the design, everything. If you go to Spark Traffic, it looks like this. It looks like nothing. It's absolutely horrible from the last century, and it is super expensive. Also, we give a price guarantee. So the price guarantee tells you we will always match the price of Spark Traffic. If you have a good price, we will make it cheaper than Spark Traffic. We will always go lower than them by 10%. Yep. So if you get a good deal on Spark Traffic, we make it 10% cheaper. Enjoy your day, and yep. Lou.